In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your battery on your Chevy Sonic. It's located under the hood. We're going to remove our negative battery terminal first using a 10mm socket. Loosen that up and remove it. I'm going to put this somewhere where there isn't any metal. Put this somewhere where there isn't any metal. And now we're going to remove our positive battery terminal, same size, 10mm. And you're going to remove that one. I'll set that off to the side. Just get it out of the way. And now we're going to take off this hold down using a 13mm socket and an extension. Remove this bolt. And take that off. If your battery has a handle, it'll make your life a little easier. Pull it forward and out. Now we're going to install our battery. I'm going to place it in the tray. Slide it back. There's a little lip here. You're gonna go in like this and then down and line it up with the bolt hole. Feed your bolt in, start it by hand, and snug it up. Now we're gonna put our positive battery terminal on first. Slide it over, making sure that your negative is not touching any metal. Just going to start this by hand. And snug it up. I'm going to use a wrench to do that so we don't over-tighten it. Go about wrist tight and make sure it doesn't move. And you can put this cover back down. And now we're going to put our negative battery terminal on. Slide it over. Make sure you have it turned in a way where you can access this nut. And we're going to tighten this with a wrench as well. Make sure that isn't spinning on the other end there. Tighten that, wrist tight, and make sure it doesn't move, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.